Hey guys, Chance McQueen here. Please like and subscribe to my channel. So unless you've been living under a rock for the past few weeks, you would have realized or seen all over the news that interest rates are high at the highest this point has been since 2020. Not that we haven't been here before, because if you go back 30 years, you see that we've been, all over the place with interest rates. So 13 to 18%, 10, 11% in 82. However, I don't think that, I think that the majority of people across the United States right now are so entrenched in 2020's interest rates that right now where we are has become like a shock, right? So obviously, it's going to take a while for everyone to digest where we are and continue buying. And there's strategies that I can put together and my team put together for you moving forward if you're in the market to buy right now. Anyhow, so let's just dive right in. Obviously, once inflation, sticks its ugly head back underneath the sheets, then rates will come back down, but that's probably another year or two away. So today in the bond market, the day I'm reading for an excerpt here from the Morning Wire here, so bear with me. So the bond market began the day by doing its best impression of a lover's scorn, threatening self-harm unless it gets some sort of validation from his former partner, aka the feds. At the same time, the bond market is realizing his former partner isn't in a position to offer that validation. Lover scorned. Anywho, the best we could have hoped for at the onset would be for some quantitative acknowledgement that the Feds is getting closer to considering leveling off. Failing that, we would need whoever was selling to stop. At the morning's hour wrap up, we have both. The Fed's piece is pretty simple. It can be summed up with a few newswires from Mary Daly. The Feds want to avoid unforced downturn by over tightening. If you keep tightening until you see lagging variables of unemployment, inflation returns to a steady state, could easily over tighten. Starting to see slowing take hold. Now we are in a stage of policy where we need to be thoughtful. Slowing rate hikes should be considered at this point. And even if there's no tweet or no comments by the Feds, the market was already concluding that the sell first, ask questions later approach in the long end of the curve carried implications for the Fed's rate hike outlook. Fed fund future had their sharpest rally since the BOE intervention late last month. Actually, it was the sharpest rally in 15 minutes, a 15-minute window that I can see since July. The other elephant in the room is Japan. Specifically, the yen has been undergoing a epic crash, ultimately reaching the weakest level since 1990. This morning, it's likely we'll learn that the Bank of Japan sold dollar-dominated assets in order to arrest the slide of the Japanese currency. The eventual swing in the US yen was not a small one this morning. We shall see. We can keep you posted as the Fed's world turns. I'm out, and I'll keep you guys updated and dropping more content, and stay tuned.